In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view favorites in Smartsheet. If you've ever wanted a quick way to jump back to the sheets, reports, or dashboards you use most often, the Favorites area is designed exactly for that. It keeps your most important items just a click away, so you don't have to browse through folders or remember where everything lives. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Smartsheet. This is your main navigation panel and it's always visible, which makes it the fastest route to where you need to go. Click on Home. The Home section is your central hub, and it organizes your content into a few simple tabs. Once you're there, you'll notice tabs like Recent, Favorites, and Workspaces. These tabs are all about helping you find things quickly. Recent shows what you've opened lately, Workspaces shows shared spaces and team areas, and Favorites is your personal shortlist. Go ahead and click Favorites. That's it. That single click takes you directly to your curated list. In Favorites, you'll see all the items you've marked to keep at your fingertips. Think of it as your personalized control panel for the work that matters most to you. If you see the items you rely on daily, you're in the right place. If the list looks empty, that simply means you haven't marked anything as a favorite yet. Or you might be signed into a different account than the one where you normally work. Either way, the Favorites view itself is working as intended. It will display whatever you've already chosen to keep handy. Once you're in Favorites, you can open any item straight from this view, and you can always navigate back to other areas using the same left sidebar. If you ever want to switch context, click Recent to pick up where you left off with other files, or jump into Workspaces to find content organized by team or project. The main idea is that whenever you want instant access to your go-to sheets and reports, Home, then Favorites is your fastest path. To recap, the process is simple. Use the left sidebar to get to Home, then choose Favorites to see your prioritized list. Keep this flow in mind anytime you're streamlining your day. Open Smartsheet, head to Home, and click Favorites. It's a small habit that can save you a lot of clicks and helps you focus on the work that truly matters.